Okay, I'm outside of 901 Margarita. Front yard is gorgeous. There's 2 vacant lots across the street. Nice paver stones and nice landscaping. Going into the home. The renovation is absolutely stunning. So here's the dining area. You have this lovely fireplace here that faces both directions. Look at the size of that island, my goodness. Here's the pantry. Beautiful backsplash. 5-burner stove, Bosch oven, Bosch microwave. Beautiful cabinets. Refrigerators included. Now this is an ancient oak forest that will never be built on, so it's preserved and you have all this beautiful privacy here. Here's the living area. I know this living area is important to you, so I'll back up. Plenty of room for everyone. There's the other side of that fireplace. There's a powder room here. New toilet. Nice new sink. Beautiful. This must be the garage. It is. Very well kept. I'm gonna go up to the master. Oh, this is very nice. Tall ceilings, lots of room, space for a couch and a bed. There's the beautiful outside. Neighbors have raised beds. It's gorgeous. You can see the homes in Pismo Hills over there. Nice walk-in closet. Plenty space. Attic space up there. Kind of like a little office nook, maybe workout area here. Oh wow. This bathroom is gorgeous. Look how light and bright it is. It's very peaceful here. You can hear the birds chirping. Going downstairs. This is very nice. Double doors go out to the second deck down below. And look, this is a barn door. Oh, nice. I love this renovation. Toilets there. Here's the other bedroom. Beautiful. And then laundry with the neat trendy tile. It's got a sink. Let's see where this brings you. Oh, nice. So this would be a nice space for the pups. Beautiful. I'm back inside. And see what this space is. Oh, they created a little wine cellar under the stairs. Very cool. Back up the stairs. Through here. I don't think we looked at the pantry, so let's look at the pantry. Nice amount of space for food. Let's go see outside. It's a beautifully maintained deck. There's a deck down there. It's got fake grass. Another deck there. Beautiful wide open space. Probably put a fence back that way, then make it clear, see-through, so you can see this beautiful landscape if you needed it for the puppy dogs. Or just fence off the place over here on the side. It's beautiful.